Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and it is March, and see what I have here, my BOXYCHARM box for March. This is the Luxe Box. That's why it's so big.
Do you think this is funny?
But do you not?
If you want to see what I got in my BOXYCHARM, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. So okay, at first we're gonna go ahead and put it here. So it is Spring Luxe Box, that's all it says, and we'll put it over here so we don't see the prices. The first product we have is from LSY, and it's the Complexion Brush Duo, which looks like so trash. So I'll definitely use these brushes for sure. So this is a foundation brush. Feels nice and dense. And this is a bronzing scalp brush. I like the component. This looks so luxe, and it feels nice too. This feels nice, so we'll be using this today. Let us jump into another product, and this is from, it's grown Alchemist, and it's beauty or biological beauty, and it's anti-pollution primer anti-pollution. So this is a primer which looks like so. Let me see. Oh, it looks like it's a silicone primer. Definitely I do see like some, you know, like if you look here. So we'll be using this to prime today for sure. Ooh. So the other product is from Drunk Elephant, and it is it's the collab between Drunk Elephant and Chris McMillan, and then it's the TLC Happy Scalp Scrub. So I mean, obviously I can't use this now, but I actually really like Drunk Elephant products. I haven't had anything from them that I don't like. Yeah, I don't know. I think I'll try this and see how, you know, I like it. So we already go through 3 products. I think we have like a few more products to go, and then let us jump. Ooh, so this is from Iconic London, and it's a multi-use lip and cheek palette. You know, I don't really like stuff like that, because I just feel like sometimes they don't really work properly, but we'll see. Oh, this feels real soft though. This is from the primer. So it looks like so, kind of hard plastic. Oh my god, man, these nails. Ooh, this is pretty though. I like this shade right here, and yeah, I really like this. So if this is pigmented, which I don't know, but let's see. It does have a little plastic over top. So I like this orange shade. So let's see. I don't know. It might work, it might not, but we will see. Let us jump into our other product. So this one is actually from KVD, and it is a liner. Oh, that's cool. Oh, it's not a liquid liner though. It is the Pro Luster Brown 20. So it's just a liner, but it looks like so. I don't know. I might use this. We'll see what look we come up with, depending on if we have an actual palette, like an eyeshadow palette. We'll see. Our other item is from Fenty Beauty, and it's Fenty Skin. It's the Pre-Show Glow. It's the instant retexturizing treatment. It has a reusable applicator. So let us see. It looks like so. There's a little applicator to apply it, and the product looks like so. We'll see. I don't know. So we have this is from Lunar Beauty, and it is their mascara actually. The mascara is called Chem, which is pretty much a black mascara, which looks like so. I actually think I have this mascara. I'm pretty sure I have this mascara. So I think I'll give this to my daughter because I already have one. I already have one. And last but not least, we have a little palette from McGrath, and I know this is not cheap because Auntie Pat comes with a pretty hefty price tag. For the most part, most of the stuff is pretty expensive. So the palette looks like so. It's one of her 5-pan palettes. The shades are not that great, I think. Not my color palette. So these are the shades. So yeah, I was excited, but now I'm like, am I excited? I don't know. So let us jump in the palette. So this is an M518 from Morphe. I'm gonna go into this shade right here, which is like literally the only matte shade in the palette, and I'm just gonna put it like right here. I mean, I know it's gonna be pigmented, like that's a no-brainer pretty much. Like you don't even need to ask if anything from Pat is gonna be pigmented. So I'm gonna use this blush. This is from Crown. It's a C510, and I think I'm gonna go into. Oh, they do have names actually. So the shade I went into is called Plum Eclipse. And now I'm gonna go into Mahogany Angel. No, the one in the center is gonna be Coral Kiss, which is this shade right here. And we're gonna go. I'm not gonna go with any glue. But I'm just gonna put this right here. So easy. And then so we do have liner. I think I can use this liner to tight line maybe. Let's see. This is the line I got in my BOXYCHARM, and this is from KVD, and this shade is Prolust Brown 20. Yeah. I mean, it's there. Let us prime. I'm gonna use this primer that I got in my BOXYCHARM, and this is the Grown Alchemist Biological Finish or Biological Beauty Anti-Pollution Primer. It's just a lot. Like that was like quite a mouthful. So when you first put it, it kind of feels like a moisturizer, and then it feels like a silicone primer. So I don't know. It definitely minimizes my pores for sure. Like you can tell. So my face feels like kind of moisturizing, but not too silicone-y, if that makes sense. Oh, I have this brush. So this is from Wireless, and that came in my BOXYCHARM. So let us go. So this right now, this is dry. So I like how this brush feels though. Kind of dense but soft at the same time. Like the bristles are soft even if you get like a dense feel. Okay, so we're gonna do the impossible, or something that we shouldn't do. Not the impossible, but it's against the makeup rule. So I'm actually gonna use this, but this is a cream, and I'm gonna put it over top here. Like somebody should stop me, like no, but we're just gonna go for it, right? Like, I don't think this face look can get any worse, so I actually like this. I don't know. I'm gonna use this brush from Lunar Beauty, and I'm gonna go into, I don't mix a couple of shades, I think, but at first I'm gonna go into this shade right here, right here. I don't like this, is not dark enough. And I think I'm gonna go into this shade right here and put it in the center. Done with this. Okay, now I'm gonna go to my lists. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products, and we're gonna calculate it. Again, this is the March Luxe Box, and the first product we have is from McGrath. As I mean, are the shades like crazy? Can you do that look from like any other palette? Most likely yes. Are they gonna blend the same? No, because McGrath blends on a different level, and this is $36. So $36 for 5 shades just like this little. So that's pretty expensive, but it's McGrath, so. And then we have the lip and cheek palette. I feel like I might just stay with it for the cheek. It did work for the cheek, but for the lip, I don't know. I don't know about that yet. So, and that was $55. So total right now is $91. We have that Fenty Pre-Show Glow Instant Retexturizing AHA Treatment and Reusable Applicator. I did not use that because you already know. And that is $40. Then we're gonna move on to Drunk Elephant TLC Happy Scalp Scrub, and it's supercharged AHA and BHA acid blend that breaks down and dissolves dead skin cells and styling product buildup, while biodegradable gently exfoliating beads sweep them away, and that is $36. Now we're gonna jump into that primer. I actually really like that primer. It literally like pores wear, like pores are gone, and it's a create a perfect base for makeup application with this lightweight hydrating gel primer featuring bioactive botanical ingredients that provide double duty protection against pollution and blue light, and that is $42. And let's go to the brushes. I actually really like the brushes. I totally forgot to use the second brush for bronzer, but the first one I used for the foundation was really good, and that is $30, so roughly $15 for one brush. And it says it is the effortless buff liquid, cream and powder products into the skin with these densely packed brushes that seamlessly distribute product for an undetectable finish. Create with soft synthetic hair. These brushes maximize coverage while minimizing the amount of product needed for a finished result you will love, and I did love that. So let us jump into the KVD. The pencil liner, it was just a liner. Like literally, it wasn't creamy. I think it was actually tugging on my eye. So would I recommend that? No. There's tons of pencils out there that's like cheaper. Even Essence, I think have a pencil that's like $4 that I've used, and I love it. And the pencil from KVD, it says it is an ultra smooth, I don't think so, transfer reduce and gel pencil that has the iconic waterproof all the way of the best-selling tattoo liner. This pencil line sets fast to lock in place on the lids and in your waterline, and that is $22. And last but not least is the Lunar Beauty Salute to the Sun Drama Bomb Mascara. It says this best selling is now dripping in gold. The unique hourglass shaped one grabs and lifts lash delivering extreme volume while the nourishing formula moisturizes and promotes lash growth. I actually didn't use the one that I have because I have used it and I actually love that mascara. And that is $19.50. I think I paid $60 for this box, and this was my, so $280. I think actually this box was actually pretty decent. I use most of the products except the hair and the exfoliating from Fenty Skin. So it's like, I prefer that though. I prefer when there's so many, how would I put that, makeup products, because I do makeup. I can't really do skincare online unless I'm doing a skincare routine or something like that. But most of the stuff I can't really use except if it's a primer or a moisturizer. So I don't really like, you know, stuff that I can't show you guys how they work like right away. So yeah, so I like it when there is a lot of products that I can use in my video. So yeah, so that's it guys for this BOXYCHARM unboxing review, first impression for the month of March. If you like what you see, if you like me, you know what, don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.
Brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way.